Eye tracking technology can be used to understand how your consumers visually navigate your website, identify which elements grab the most attention, and assess the performance and placement of all visual influences, such as your navigation menus, banners, call to actions, links and buttons, and even the use of product imagery, graphics, and color. Facial coding software identifies the 6 basic facial expressions of happiness, sadness, fear, anger, surprise, and disgust, and captures the emotional journey of your consumer on a second-by-second basis. In this example, the green graph indicates negative valence, an aggregate measure of all negative emotions that have been experienced. Galvanic skin response is a biosensor that measures changes in one's heart rate, as well as the levels of emotional arousal experienced over time. This shows how emotionally engaged your consumer is during their online shopping experience. Pupillometry uses eye behaviors, such as the constriction and dilation of one's pupil, to provide measures of cognitive load and emotional engagement. Cognitive load is the total amount of mental activity that is being dedicated to the task at hand in one's working memory. Combined, these implicit measures of the experience provide us with a quantitative measure of both the emotional and cognitive drivers behind the consumer behavior. We can then develop strategies to leverage these subconscious levers and ensure that we're pulling them in the right direction. These insights can then be represented as gaze plots, which show areas that are fixated on, as well as a navigation path that was followed on an individual level. Heat maps display the distribution of attention across multiple consumers. Those areas which have attracted most attention are in red, while those which have attracted less attention in green. This data can also be visualized in other ways. We also have the ability to manually select areas of interest on the website, and get an understanding of how these areas have performed, both from a visual perspective as well as how people have responded to them emotionally. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short introductory video. For more information, please visit our website, Neuroscience.com. We look forward to hearing from you.
Emote your brand with the science of neuromarketing. Neuroscience. Consumer insight quantified.